for Vice President External because I want to focus on building connections that truly benefit our members, which is something that a lot of us have mentioned because that is something that is relevant to ASME. But I want to focus on not just quantity, but in quality and intention. Because the reality is, not every opportunity fits every student. Some students are aiming for large competitive companies, while others would gain more value from smaller or mid-sized companies, where they can gain hands-on experience and grow more directly. But more importantly, things like tailoring your resume to a job listing and even how to do that are rarely discussed. My goal is to find and organize a range of opportunities so students can clearly see what aligns with their skills, goals, and current stage. I also want to focus on making landing those opportunities clear. Not just bringing in companies, but helping students understand how to approach them, how to prepare, and how to actually follow through to earn a full-time position at the end of our degree. So instead of guessing, students are navigating with direction and confidence. At the same time, I would focus on maintaining strong, long-term relationships with both current and future companies that we work with. So those connections don't just exist for one event, but continue to create opportunities for all ASME members. To me, external relations is more than just emails and sponsorship packages. It's about building consistent, reliable pathways. Pathways that connect real experiences, real people, and real opportunities. I want to make sure that when people show up and they work on projects like that race car that I have right there was something that actually I did with ASME when I was a projects committee member. That even if you come in and you're just a projects committee member, you can do something good. So thank you all for coming out tonight and for listening to both of my speeches. I hope you consider me. Yes?
Okay, so I want to provide you with a bit of a scenario. This isn't an interactive situation, this is just a pitch. So pretend I'm a sponsor and give me your best 1-minute pitch to see how you can you can bring them into ASME and support. Timer starts now.
ASME has had good opportunities so far. With not having much, we've been able to develop projects such as these, but other ones with the print lab, generating revenue so that when we are given money, we don't just take it, we put back into our accounts and also into the experiences that we're able to withdraw from that. So what I would show to the company would be the things that we've done, the projects in ASME, as well as the 3D printing, because that has a lot of value that we can show the company that we're not just going to use the money to host events, that of course the socials are really important and that money isn't always directly lost, but that we can show that the money will be used for something that will connect to their company.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions? Because I only got one question. So I wrote a sample question. So how is my plan different from what we already do? We already have strong efforts in place, events, projects, and outreach. The difference is how those pieces connect. Right now, a lot of value exists, but we feel disconnected or unclear on how to engage with it. My focus is on making those pathways more visible and structured, so members can move through the organization with direction instead of guessing. So as a couple of people have mentioned, we would want more visuals. So you go online and you see one website that shows you everything that you need. So you don't have to go all over a billion different places trying to find out one piece of information that you need. That's the sample question I made for myself. Thank you.